The Cornerstone Advantage really is fully embodied throughout the nursing program. We prepare students every semester with those hands-on experiences, whether it's here in our labs or whether it's out with our clinical partners. They just get grounded in the ability to do the things that they need to do, because it's not just about representing the profession of nursing well for Cornerstone students. It's really the fact that they also are representing their Lord, and the students just really exemplify the things that we're teaching them in the classroom, and they're really showing the love of Christ through the difference that they bring in just their attitudes and behaviors, even from the very beginning of their nursing careers.
I think it is a phenomenal program. They very well intertwine faith in nursing practice by reminding us every day that every patient is a child of God. And the nursing program has also been created so well so that we're getting lots of simulations on top of our studying, so we're applying the information that we're learning the next day in the lab.
One of the things that we always tell our brand new students is that this is a safe place to make mistakes. Our faculty, our simulation coordinator, everybody is in here with the end goal of being able to provide safe patient care. Our students are going to come out of here with the ability to think critically, not just to have the knowledge, but to be able to put those pieces into practice.
Cornerstone's nursing program really prepared us. They just really have an incredible cutting-edge lab. We were constantly in the lab going through different simulations. That way we have that chance to critically think through some of the situations and scenarios and really help shape our nursing practice.
The work that they do is not just to get a paycheck. It's not just to care for people, but even higher than that, it's that calling that they feel led to share with others the love of Christ through the job and the skills that they've learned.